Hey yo, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. What you see in this video, I will open this box. This box have 30 pack inside. Take a look on this box. And yeah, I hope we can get Sasuke and Naruto SP, because we have SP Naruto, SP Madara over there. Alright, let's open this box.
Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for the amazing Naruto polls.
We have 15 pack. Let me cut this real quick. Okay guys, already cut. We have 15 over here. Before I open this, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. Alright, first pack. I wish we have a luck in this card. Okay, we have Naruto with the Sharingan, Shikamaru, Hinata, and another SR. 2 SR in this pack.
In this box, there will be a senior card in each pack.
Yo, this is luck or not? 2 SR. Okay, put over there. Second pack. We have Lee, Sasori, Ligan, and CP. Second pack with CP, guys. CP. What CP we got? CP. Oh my god, I don't remember this. Tail. But I don't remember this name. We got second pack and we have CP. Let me sleeve this. Alright, perfect pull. Second time. We put right there. Looking nice. Third pack. Sasuke, Tayuya, Kakashi, and we got another CP. CP Killer Bee. Tail. I think maybe this box have every single 9 tail. 1 until 9. Look at the artwork. Damn. Second CP. I think Madara and Naruto give this luck. Wait, Alright, I put it right there. Pack number 4. Sasori, Gaara, Choji, and we got SSR, Killer B again, Killer B CP, Killer B SSR. Alright, we got 2 Killer B. Pack number 5. I think number 5 yes, number 5. Alright, Sasuke, Kidomaru, Temari, and we got SR, Kakashi. Pack number 6. Kakashi again, Temari, Inodet, and we got UR Tayuya. We got UR Tayuya. Alright, I hope we can get a Vito in this box. Pack number 7, I think. Number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pack number 7. Oh, okay. Orochimaru, Sakura, Madara, and we got SR Naruto. Number 8. So far we get SR in front. Maybe this box have SR and SR, maybe SSR in the back of this card. Before I pull this, please like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Okay, we get Lee, Kabuto, Kankuro, and we got SR Sakura. Alright, SR again, Shino, and we got SSR Kakashi, Child Kakashi with the Chidori, and he killed Rin. I hope we can get Kid Obito too. Okay, we get Sasuke, Sasori, Inodet, and SR Itachi. SR Gaara, Kiba, Naruto, and we got SSR Duplicate. This video is part 1. I hope in the part 2 we can get SP, UR, and CP again. Damn, we got I remember Kidomaru, Hinata, and SSR Sword Ninja Man. I'm gonna sleeve this. Alright. Three pack left. Sasori, Tayuya, Shino, and SR Sai. Second last, you get Conan, Sakura, Neji, and SSR Itachi. Ero Tensei. Oh, sorry. Okay, SSR Itachi. Last pack. Before I open, please remember to like, subscribe, and comment which card is your favorite. Okay guys, last card. You got Sai, Gaara, Naruto, and you got Naruto again. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe guys. I will see you in the next video, and thank you for watching until now, seeing me open this Naruto box, and I got this CP Killer B CP UR Tayuya. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.